Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the E-flat minor arpeggio. That's right, I'm going to take you through and show you how to play the E-flat minor arpeggio with all the correct letters and fingerings, hands together and separately, 1 and 2 octaves. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. We're going to learn the letter names for the right hand 1 octave arpeggio. This is what they are: E flat, G flat, B flat, E flat, back down, E flat, B flat, G flat, E flat. The finger numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's check out the left hand. The letter names are the same, so I'll just go over the fingering, which are 5, 4, 2, 1. 1, 2, 4, 5. All right, great. Let's put hands together. Here we go. E flat, G flat, B flat, E flat, back down, E flat, B flat, G flat, E flat. Okay, let's see what it looks like when we play the right hand 2 octaves. All the notes and fingerings are the same except for, instead of using this 5th finger on this E flat in the middle here, we're going to tuck our thumb so we can continue on to the 2nd octave. So the finger numbers for the right hand are as follows for 2 octaves. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Back down, 5, 3, 2, 1, cross 3, 2, 1. Great, let's check out the left hand. Again, the letters are the same, so I'm just going to go over the finger numbers. They are as follows: 5, 4, 2, 1, cross 4, 2, 1. Back down, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. Let's put hands together. This is what it looks like: E flat, G flat, B flat, E flat, G flat, B flat, E flat, back down, E flat, B flat, G flat, E flat, B flat, G flat, E flat. There we go. That is how you play the E-flat minor 2 octave arpeggio. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate it, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.